Have an ISO file, but don't know how to extract its contents easily and safely? Introducing SysTools ISO Extractor Tool. A powerful solution to view, extract, and manage ISO files with complete control. Key features of the software. Preview file details. View file names, folder paths, and timestamps before extracting content from the ISO file. Supports large ISO files. Effortlessly handles large ISO images without crashes, lag, or performance issues. Mount ISO option. Provides the option to mount ISO files for instant, direct access to their contents. Wide compatibility. Supports ISO files created by popular tools like Nero, Power ISO, Ultra ISO, Roxio, InBurn, Magic ISO, Burn Aware, and others. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools ISO Extractor. Click the top search result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the download button. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the tool. You'll be greeted with a clean, easy-to-navigate interface. Click on the Open button to select your ISO file from your system. A File Explorer window will open. Select the ISO file, and click Open. The software will now load the contents of the ISO image and display them in a tree-structured format. On the left pane, you can see a tree view of the folders and files inside your ISO image. Click on any folder to preview the files it contains. The software offers a preview of file name, location within ISO, and creation timestamp, making it easy to inspect before extraction. You can either extract the entire ISO content or select specific files or folders. This selective extraction gives you full control over what you want to retrieve. Now, click the Save button. Select the location where you want your extracted ISO file to be saved. Once you select the destination path, click OK. You'll receive a confirmation message that the file has been saved successfully. Click OK. The tool will automatically open the folder where the files were saved, so you can start using them right away. And that's it. And that's how simple it is to extract content from ISO files with just a few easy steps. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.